Oh, ayan mga kakislam.
Kantay ko sino mag-overtake.
Papakita ko sa inyo mga pinuntahan namin hanggang kami ay napagod.
Ayaw, hindi mo ba? Ayaw.
Ilang araw namin inikot ang Alberta. Yun ang ating plataforma.
Ito naman, pag tayo minto, hindi ka lang matagin sa akin.
Ayaw, pag guminto tayo, maiiwan na tayo. Sila pag guminto sila, hihinto tayo.
Brown. Ayan, may nagbibideo na naman. Dami naman.
Si Kenal, popokus ko. Popokus ko, yan. Ayun yun nun, meron kayong file.
Ay, halika. Ako bibidyoan kita na ikaw ang may file.
Ayan, oh, may file. Si G, oh, may file tayong lahat.
Okay, instruction here or one more time? Have? No, you all. Oh my God, this is a practice. You all out. Okay, one more time. Have? Okay, one more. Have? Oh, make sure you're very good. Okay, I'm gonna point. Come on, you guys get it ready? Okay. Let's start up. Okay. If I come,
Zero na agad.
you want? Okay, you go here so you can see that. Okay, let's try it one more time. Get it? Okay, this is the real game now. Okay, you're ready. Okay. Which way? Okay. Attack, right. Give us energy. Okay, guys. Oh my God, did you keep your stop already? Keep your stop already? Yeah. One more time. Alright, okay, now this is real now.
Pia, halo. Ito po, hindi ko to kilala. Hindi pa sila umalis eh. Hindi ba yata sila ikot eh? Hindi. Abay, i-vlog mo. Abay, magsalita ka. Nakateteng.
Kasalita pa ba?
Oo.
May dito pala yung festival. Ayun.
Alin dyan ang
Ayun na. We have some music. Dapat pala dyan tayo maglakad. Ayun o, dami.
Nakakatakot pala sa taas. Mga kakislap, oh. Dito kami sa may likod ng Calgary Tower. Oh, no.
Mas maganda dyan.
Ha?
Night market. Andyan ang mga tao eh. May event. They have some event there.
Doon ba
And then
tayo
over
pupunta
there.
mamaya? Ha?
Hindi, pwede tayo
Hindi.
bumaba at maglakad doon papunta dyan. Kung ano yung event na... You see the event? We have event. Event. Ayun, tsaka ano to? Night market. May mga tinda. Tsaka... Saan ba magkakaling yung payo mo?
Diyan, ayan,
Doon,
dyan sa
doon,
stand.
doon.
Hindi nakalagay dyan. Hoy,
Dito na lang natin yung yung firework. Oo, pwede rin.
Eh, yung mga kasama natin.
Eh, sabihin natin magpunta rito. Maglakad na lang.
Darating po yan. Pakinggan ninyo sa 17:31 ng gawa, sapagkat siya ay nagtakda ng isang araw na kaniyang ipagbubuko sa sanglibutan ayon sa katwiran sa pamamagitan ng lalaking kanyang ipinalaga. Na ito'y pinatunayan niya sa lahat ng mga tao nang siya'y buhangin niyang maguli sa mga patay. Ayon, nagtakda siya ng isang
Yan, kamo ang bahay ni Kademi.
ayon sa katwiran. Kaya kung ang katwiran, mga kababayan, yan ang pinakamahalaga na intindihan natin kasi pagdating ng pagluon, ikaliligtas natin yung katwiran eh. yung justisya, yung katarungan, yung patas. Hindi pwedeng yung agrabyado ang isa. Hindi po ganon. Ang tawag po dyan ay katwiran.
Si Kademi, hakutin yata lahat ng gamit ah. Parang isang linggo yata doon ah.
Puno na.
Puno na eh, karga pa ng karga eh. Tatlo lang sila eh. Ang damit ko tala eh. Ang isang linggo eh.
Bakit? Ano ba yung bag na pula?
Ilagay mo din yung rice cooker eh.
Ha?
Ilagay mo din yung rice cooker.
Inalis mo eh. Tatanin ko nga sana eh. Nilagay mo sa gamit ni Sanjay.
Ayaw mo pala. Wala ka naman.
Tinignan ko nga kanina. Nakita ko yung mga pantalon mo.
Ganito yung mga gumuguho sa Facebook.
Oo.
Mas mataas to sa building ng ano dito pa yan mo.
Tapos kakam tayo, tulog-tulog tayo dyan. Sino?
May nato pa.
Isa.
Kambing. Natong ito. Kambing.
Kaya pa may kambing dito.
Ba't ganyan?
Nawala.
Wow, ako pinakita.
Nag-aalaga rito.
Ano yun? Mga ano yung deer.
Sa'yo.
Deer na maliliit pa lang siya, baby. Sarap magmotor dito. Papunta tayo ng Alberta Park. Kananaskis Village. Yun, Kananaskis Trail. Ang ganda ng lugar na ito. Nakakatakot. Magandang nakakatakot. In a provincial park. Yan, ipinasyal ko kayo sa Alberta Park. Alberta Lake. Ito. Ganda. Makikita nyo, oh, parang drawing lang siya. Tignan mo ang mga bundok nila, parang drawing lang talaga. Para na rin kaya karating dito. Yan, dito naman sa kabila. Tingnan mo naman ang bundok. Anong masasabi mo dyan? Pero mainit. Makapag-uwi kaya ng bato. Yan, oh. Mga kakulochi, meron ditong kakaibang halaman. Papakita ko sa inyo. Ito, oh. Ano ito? Kakaiba siya. Ano yan? Oh. Kakaiba siyang halaman. Tingnan mo. Nakaumpo ko lang siya. Ano ito? Anong halaman tawag mo dito? Yan. Yan, oh. Ano ba yan? Buha tayo ng isa. Oh. Nakabilog siya. Nakabilog. Yan, oh. Wala naman itong kamukha sa atin sa Pilipinas. Yan. I-research natin yan kung ano itong halaman mamaya. Okay. Bye. Hi! Ba't pa saan titiri Sunday?
Ihi ng ihi.
Hindi pa nga siya uminom.
Pag ano, pag nakakamihan ng ibang ihi, lalagdagan niya.
Naibig siya.
Patungan niya ng amoy niya. Pwede siyang ano, Habang play ng video, pwedeng mag-picture. Ang dalawa pindutan. Bali yung ano ni Sandy nakasuksok lang doon. Kailangan dito, sir.
Ay, kunin mo. Pababa yung pata. Kunin mo ko. Nakuha mo yun. Pataas. Picture.
One, two, three. Ay, ganun. Pag pinipicture lang kita, wala kang reaction. Pag nag 1, 2, 3 ako, tsaka nagpa-post.
Ay, siyempre, nakatrick eh.
Ayan.
Tapos pagkatapos ng 4-5 sa camera.
Sabi mo, kuya, tingnan mo ba mo rin, oh, puro puti pa ba ito?
Ano mo bilis? Takot ako kaya. Apaw.
May matay.
Mabilis yung takbo na ako sinusunod eh. Sila magmakaya, on the way na pupunta dyan.
Palabas pa lang tayo ng Alberta Park eh. Ano?
Pwede na naman ako siya, oh. Nakatatawid pala eh.
Matawag si Bembol.
Umuulan na naman sa mundo.
Kaya nga next time, moral lesson.
Pag-shopping na sana.
Pag-shopping na sana.
Hindi nga ako
Diyos ko,
nag-shopping sa
nakabili ka
kasama
sana
eh.
ng MK, no?
Hindi nga ako bumili sa sarili ko.
Ayun na nakasama ng loob.
Sino
yung
ang bumili?
gusto
Si
kang
Bading?
bilhin.
Si Bading, na-scam niya ako, tita.
Na-scam saan?
Sa lahat ng pupuntahan ko, tita.
Hindi, pwede ko sumakay dyan. Ibago naman doon sa gawin na yun. Para
Wala naman daan dyan, tito. Gusto
Hindi.
mo, lumipad ka.
Ang ibig sabihin, baguhin naman eh. Lagi na lang dyan ang pwesto eh.
Ayun ang paano ginawa eh. Diyan ang
Eh, bumili ka
magandang...
ng sarili mong bundok. Yun ang...
Hindi, maglakad ka. Kaya.
Oo. Ay, pwede yan na Karen, 3 hours.
At napakabilis niyo namang sumakay sila, Hazel.
Kasi
Kayo
kailangan,
una-una.
hanggang
Hindi ba
8:30
pagdating mo sa tuktok na yun, naglalakad ka pa ng konti?
Oo, titignan mo yung...
Pinakatuktok, ano?
Tapos ang tempe
Ay,
naman.
inang ayaw nito mo, hihingalin daw siya.
Tapos doon naman na.
Nahingal din ako nung unang punta ko dyan.
Yun.
Kailangan kong uminom ng tsa ang sakit ng sigmura ko.
Totoo.
kami biglang sulpot nyo eh.
Saan?
Yung magpipicture.
Oo nga. Eh,
Bakit
nandun
na?
kami sa likod. Bigla namang sumingit yung mga alaga ko.
yung mga doon sa harap.
Kaya pala umalis yung kasama namin.
Oo, nahiya.
Grabe daw ang tingin nila.
Nahiya nga.
Ang bilis naman mag-picture ng papi. Si ano pangalan nun? Si Ann.
Nahiya na sila kaya sa kanila. Kasi sabi niya, kasi nangyay ko dun tapos
naman dito mag-picture.
Nasaan sila? Sila Brad.
Ay, tumitingin sa ganyan. Ay, sabi nung anak ko gusto ng Starbucks. Wala, sarado.
Sarado eh. We go down, it's close eh.
Ana, dito sit down.
Come here, Ana.
Ana.
Ana,
Okay?
na lang kayo sa downtown na lang kayo eh.
O sa downtown na lang kayo
Mag-kape, ha? Di ba merong
Saan ba pagkatapos nito diretso natin?
Campsite, matutulog na tayo. Anong gusto mo dito, mamamasyal ka pa? Hindi ka papagod?
Eh,
Hello mga kakaslap, nandito kami sa van, gondola. Ikot-ikot. Pakita ko sa iyo ang taas ng bundok. Ayan. Ang ganda ng Canada. Ayun sila, umaakit sila sa taas. Ayan oh. Malabo. Yan. Kung malakas sa inyong loob, punta kayo dito. Pero umuulan ngayon. Ba, ang lakas ng loob nila. Taas yan. Hanggang doon sa itaas. Sulit ang bakasyon. Sulit ang bakasyon namin. Pero minsan-minsan lang yan kasi pag summer kaya sinusulit. Ito ang Canada.
Ilan yata ka?
Saan? Nasa downtown kami.
Tingnan lang po. Sandali lang po.
Pagking kaya pinto. Ang daming mabibili dito. Ang problema yung pambili. Pero nakakatuwa lang.
He spends more time at Amofata. This is not it though.
Mahal
Ibang
naman.
stone, tsaka emerald. Diba?
Stone din. Ang pangalan ng stone lang emerald. Merong ibang stone na hindi naman emerald.
Merong emerald na pink na.
Oo.
Diba, na plastic.
Oh, dami. Oo nga naman, dahil mga dito. Magkabila.
Kaya ba maglakad? Kaya ba maglakad?
Hanapin ka natin na pata.
Pati. Dapat lang ba nang hindi sinama si Daddy? Pagod na rin yun eh.
Ilang building pa?
Tingnan natin ang presyo.
4,000 daw. $4,000.
How much this? $3,995. 3,000. Yeah. So expensive, see?
My brother have like a milkshake. He doesn't know what it is. So like these stones. What? Yes.
Ito. See? 14.
Ito mo may ang ganda ang heart. Look at this color. Look at this color.
Akala mo pangit lang na ba to, oh?
They're all real.
They're real, but they're enhanced. This isn't the real color.
See this? Yeah, this is the
Enhanced.
gemstone of various types.
Hey, maybe.
We'll find the moonstone. We'll find, ano mo? Birdstone mo.
Ruby Lab.
Hindi ko alam kung ano yung ruby love dito.
Parang violet.
Google mo, ruby love.
Tingnan mo
Search mo
na
yung
nga
July
ba?
birdstone.
Ako'y nagbablog.
Then makikita mo yung bato mo dito. Want that now or after?
Destil pa. Destil yan, may 49. Ay, kilometer pala yun. Ito, minutes. 100 kilometer. 58 kilometer. Kung lagpas pa ng Destil. Isa't kalahati pa ng Destil. Di Michael, hindi ko rin pwedeng gamitin yung isang cellphone ko kasi wala sa internet.
Pwede mo siya i-connect sa data. Kapag isa pag sobra ka na sa gamit,
Ngayon lang mo mag-date eh. Di ba pagka-video wala man date eh?
meron ka. Basta may memory.
Oo, eh bakit yung aking isa? Yung Pixel. O nakakonect dito yung kaya. Eh, bakit daw lang kapag video ako?
Talaga, may memory.
Kahit na walang internet o data.
Internet pag gusto mo mag-send.
Yun ang hindi mo pwede. Pero pag recording,
Pag yung cellphone mo walang internet, phone lang siya, pwede mo siya dalhin kahit saan. Pero pag gusto mo na ikalat yung video mo, hindi
Kaya-
may internet.
kaya kumbaga parang recording lang yung isa yun. Pag walang internet.
Pwede ka mag-record lang. Tapos pag napupul yan, napupul memory. Tsaka ka mag-edit ng video. Video mo na yun. Nalit ng camera. Kasya ka na.
How does this work? How can we explain this? Please help me out.
Daya,
Go ahead.
sila mag-isa.
Ito na.
Well, my first guess is it's trained beavers on leashes. I mean, it's Canada, they love beavers. Then I was like, maybe cats.
Kala ko bakod.
Hindi.
Cats on catnip. And then I'm like, it's got to be alien. I mean, you saw the signs in the you saw the crop signs, right? Do we know the crop signs? That's yeah. That's how I explain this. I think this is actually proof that there are life on other planets. I don't think this is a border between countries, actually. I think that this is extraterrestrial life. So, yeah, what state are we in? Does anybody know what state we're in now? Yeah, it's Montana. It's Montana. It's not Idaho. I mean, I guess it could be Idaho, right? We're close. It's like maybe we have somehow. Yeah, it could. That's a stretch. California's a stretch. Unless this is a spaceship. Unless you're actually on a spaceship, and then we could be in California or on another planet. That's kind of what I think. Yeah. Yeah, I think this boat could make it to Hawaii. Gosh. Yeah. No, it's been too long. I haven't watched that movie in a while. Yeah. What do you want to? Yeah. No. Do you want to sing it? Tippy T. So 10,366 feet. You could hike that in a day, basically. If you took this boat and you got dropped off at the Goat Hawk, and you had your clinic, you go up that beach. It's a very long 16-hour day, depending on if you're walking about a mile or 2 miles an hour. So there's the kilt or the tartan or the threads line I was trying to tell you about. If you look over to the right, you'll see. It might be kind of hard. You'll see the white snow bands that are sticking there, but then there's a rock that's white, and in the middle it's black. You may see that? So there's two parallel white lines, and it goes across into the mountains in the back. The Stony Indian Peak is in the back. You'll be able to see that line all over this area of the Rocky Mountains. It's a really particular, unique line. They call it the diorite sill. But they say that was a moment in history, geologic time, where there was a volcanic event. Obviously, when it was. So it's also related to the Purcell supergroup event. It's a unique characteristic of the Purcell supergroup. All these different lines of the Purcell supergroup. Or the belt. They also call it the belt supergroup. I know it's kind of confusing, but. If you look back there again, one last view as we're turning around, that's Longfellow Mountain. And that mountain seems to be holding kind of the most snow for the longest. And that is the north face. It also helps give you a look as to how there was so much water and snow to create ice. And again, these are all like kind of the northeast and the northwest facing edges of these slopes. So the history of the survey and the line, back to explaining the line, we're going to have a chance to take a look at this line. And after we cross the line, that's basically where I run out of time and to talk. Basically what I'm trying to say is we're approaching the end of my narration, at least the first part. So you got Mount Richards and Mount Boswell on either side of this slope, and those were named after people that were on the survey or part of the survey of this line, 49th parallel. But I'd like to kind of touch on the history. So we've gone through the basic, really quick history as we can with this boat. We've gone back in time, started 1.5 billion years ago. Virginia, when there was a path to walk over. So eventually Europeans showed up. I won't go into all the history of that. But this is an interesting line, not just because of the basic friendliness between Canada and the USA, But it was a moment in history where they hadn't figured out who was going to own or control the Oregon Territory, as they call it. As in they, as in the British Empire, which Canada was a part of before they became a nation, and the damn Yankees. Pardon my swearing. But so the Yankees, after Lewis and Clark came across the middle part of the North American continent, followed the Missouri River some, they crossed over south of here. They missed the important pass called Marias Pass that this railroad company found, the Great Northern Railroad Company, in the late 1800s, 1870s. About that same time, they were figuring out this line, and just afterward. So they hadn't decided how big to make this or just how much to cut it, but they were cutting it right after the American Civil War and establishing this line. After the War of 1812, eventually the Great Lakes became the first sort of demilitarized area that led to this line. So they call this the longest undefended border in the world. But it used to be, you know, basically a war-torn area, you know, battling over the dominant